In this video, I'll demonstrate how to view and manage users' team memberships in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Users, followed by Manage Users. This grid shows a list of active users in your organization. Next, select the user you want to manage, in this case, Adele Vance. Below the tiles at the top of the page, select Teams to see a list of teams the user is a member of. From there, you can select the name of a team to open its management page, or change the user's role. In this case, I'll select Owner to give Adele control of the team. You can also remove the user from a particular team. First, select the team, and then select Remove from this team. In both cases, it can take up to 10 minutes for your changes to take effect. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to manage users' team memberships, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.